Police department.
Play on the train will be in the front.
Hey, he's not alone. Let's go! Open the door now! Let's go! Open the door! $201-250. We need to force entry into this. I got a female inside screaming.
Police department, come out with your hands up. White truck, we know you're in there. Come out with your hands up.
Can we do what? Yeah, let me grab. Hey, you got it. Ready when you are. He's got a knife for the throat, he said.
Police! Step out with your hands up! Hey, watch the crossfire. Get a car moved around, right?
Control, he said he's got a knife to his throat, not to enter the truck.
I'm gonna try to unlock the door.
Come on, stop your hands up! Hey!
Can you see? Can you see?
No, you got that back first.
Hey! Hey! Listen to me! Hey, listen to me!
Nope, I'm gonna kill him right now.
Why?
I ain't got nothing to lose.
What's your first name? My name's Brandon.
I got nothing to lose, bro. I'm 60 years old. I ain't got nothing to lose.
Nothing's happened.
What?
17
Listen to me.
I got a knife to the throat.
Okay,
I'm going to jail. I'm going to jail for something.
nobody's got to go to jail right
I
now.
am.
He's what?
I am. And I'm going to kill her too.
Kill me, I don't care.
I'm going to jail for something.
Hey, listen to me.
What?
There's nothing that's happened right now that you got to go to jail.
Yes, it is.
What?
Did she say I cut her?
No,
She
he did
stole,
not.
she said I stole her money? That's
No, I
crazy.
know he didn't. I robbed him. He did. I think he's gonna be in jail.
If you come here, I'm going to kill him, bro.
All right. Listen to me. Listen to. Hey, what's your first name?
I don't have one.
All right. Hey, my name's Brandon.
Brandon, if you come in here, I'm gonna kill it, man.
Fair enough. Hey, can we talk for a minute?
No, I'm gonna kill it. All right, I got her throat, a knife to her throat. Go ahead, I'm gonna kill her.
No, you don't got to do that.
If you come in here, I'm gonna kill her. I ain't got nothing to lose.
I'm not coming in right now.
I'm gonna kill her first. I will kill her first. Kill her first.
Hey, ma'am, what's your first
I
name?
will kill her first, man.
He's gonna kill me any fucking way.
No, I wasn't. I ain't got nothing to lose.
He's gonna kill me anyway, Jenny.
Hey.
I'm gonna cut her throat.
Get in here and have somebody come in with me and get ready. I'm gonna see him. Soda, come here. Soda, get ready.
I'm
Come
going to
here.
jail for sex.
He's very weak.
I see you, bro.
I'm getting very
I see
weak.
you, bro.
Hey, you gotta let her go, man.
Come in, I'm gonna cut her throat. I got it right now. See, I got it right now. I'm gonna cut her
I'm
throat.
covered in blood. I'm a lot of blood.
Bro. I'm going to jail for something. You coming here. I'm gonna cut her throat.
Let her go, dude.
What?
Let her go.
You come here, I'm gonna cut her throat. I'm gonna cut her throat. I'm going to jail for something.
What? Let her go.
See you, bro. Go ahead.
Let her go.
Go ahead and kill me. I got it right to her throat. Go ahead. Give me some blood. It's gone.
No.
See you, bro. Go ahead. I got her right now right on her throat. Go ahead, kill me. Go ahead.
He's got me bad.
Get a med kit.
He's like, here.
Med kit now. Come with me, ma'am. Come with me.
Yeah,
Come on with me.
come on, come
Get out.
on,
Come on.
come on.
Come on. Hey, get on my back. Get on my back.
I can walk. I can walk.
Nope, I got you.
I got you.
Come on.
Go.
Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. You ready to catch her?
I got you. I can walk.
We got her.
Oh, my ankle.
I got you. Get out of the way.
Get out of the way.
I'm helping.
Female. There you go.
Wait, some breathing.
Down, down, down.
I got you.
Way down, way down, way down.
Sit down, sit down, sit down.
Can't hear out my ear.
Lay down.
I mean, he drugged me into his truck.
Okay,
You're doing this for 6 hours.
okay.
I'm
Get back.
Where is it?
good, man. I just can't hear out my ear.
Okay.
Okay.
For 6 hours I've been going through this. These guys have beat me for 6 hours. He drugged me into his truck right over.
Getting off.